Hi, now we're going to talk about how to do a braced single arm row. I'm going to show you what this is first, and then we'll break it down. Fabulous. So, as you can see, this is a rowing or pulling motion, which means we're using primarily the muscles in your back here and in the back of your arm. So, there's two different ways that you can do this. We're going to go over one and then we'll go over the other. So the first one, you're going to be braced with your knee up on a bench, or if you don't have a weightlifting bench like this, you could use a piano bench, a chair, something like that. Now, you'll put your knee on the bench, then put your hand on the bench. Now you're welcome to do a flat hand or a fist, whatever works better for you. Hand is going to be holding the weight straight underneath your shoulder, and this is your start position. Then you're going to draw your hand up toward your hip and back down. Up toward your hip and back down. It's really easy to want to choke up on this here. It will feel easier, but that will be very hard on your elbow. So we're going to try not to do that variation. So again, pulling up toward your hip, release, up toward your hip, release. Now, positionally here, you're thinking that you're kind of a tripod. You're not like super close together. Your foot is out wide, so that you're nice and comfortable here. This should feel like a very stable kind of a tripod position. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have a bench or this does not work for you, here's your second option. This is going to probably be a little bit better if you're at home and you don't have a long bench like this. You're going to take that same kind of staggered stance, but this time you're just going to take your feet, step one back a little bit so that you can lean forward. So that looks like this. Starting together, stepping back, leaning forward. Hand comes on the bench, the chair, whatever. Again, flat hand or fist, doesn't matter. Same starting position, hand is extended, holding the weight underneath your shoulder. You're going to come back, up toward your hip, and then drop. Up toward your hip, and then drop. You're thinking that you're starting this movement with your mid-back muscles. Your arm will also be working, but it's along for the ride. It's not the primary mover. So you'll do this all on one side, then you'll do it all on the other side. Take a more video. If you have any questions, please ask. I will talk to you soon.